Hi everybody, in this video we're going to be looking at the brand new Bailey Phoenix 642, which is an end washroom 4-berth caravan. Let's have a quick look around the outside. Like the rest of the Bailey range, there's no front locker, but I'll show you the gas locker in a moment. And although the front is a little sparse, the caravan does make good use of that large central window. Moving around to the side, you can see the gas locker is held midway down the caravan to assist with weight distribution. Access to the toilet to the cassette is right at the rear, followed by a locker which reaches to under one of the beds. The back of the caravan is quite familiar, with a smooth roofline, no complex moulding, which will assist with cleaning and water runoff when in storage. On this side of the caravan we've got a wet locker, followed by a split style door, the fridge vents and the electric hookup point. So before we head inside, let's look at some of the specs of this 4-berth caravan. Weighing in with an MT PLM of 1,382 kilos and an MRO of 1,227 kilos, that gives us a user payload of 155 kilograms. Its total length is 7.3 meters and its total width is 2.2 meters wide as well. So with the tech specs out of the way, let's pop inside and check out this layout. As we spin round, you'll see the colour scheme of the interior. Bailey call the fabric option Brockwell, and the colour scheme of the cupboard is brushed champagne. The central large window provides lots of light into the living space. Next to the window there are two small cubby holes, and the one on the left contains the radio. The large overhead lockers do not include soft closing or positive latches, but do contain enough space for tall items, such as a bottle or a box of cereal. The seats can be used as two single beds or made up as a large double, and here's the specs on the bed sizes. As two single beds, it's 5'11" by 2'1", or made up as the double, it's a 6'2" by 4'7" large double bed. So let's head on over to the kitchen area. The kitchen incorporates a cover over the cooker, and with this cover it negates the need for a pull-out flap as there's plenty of prep space. The cooker has a 4-gas burner hob with separate grill and oven which sits next to a huge drawer, big enough for all your cutlery and utensils. The control panel for the Truma heating and hot water is just behind the sink, along with two mains outlets which is perfect for a toaster and a kettle. Opposite the cooker is the triple fuel refrigerator. On top of this fridge is the handy workspace where there is a TV antenna outlet, a 12-volt socket and a single mains outlet as well. And finally, above this workspace is the microwave and small cupboard. As we look down the caravan we can see the two single beds, and these are 6'2" by 2'2" in size. Storage is provided above the beds in the form of overhead lockers, and the sleeping area can be separated by a screen for added privacy. So let's head to the back of the caravan to the washroom, and to the right is the fully lined granite stone shower cubicle, complete with its own skylight, 12-volt LED light and Eco Camel showerhead. On the opposite side is the Thetford toilet with the wardrobe above for ample clothes storage. In the middle of the washroom is the wash basin and mirror. It's small but perfectly usable. So there you go guys, I hope you've enjoyed that tour of this, the 642. If you want more details about this caravan, have a look in the description below. I've put a link to the Bailey website. If you've got any comments or questions, feel free to ask them. Thanks for watching and we'll see you again next time. Bye bye now.